Alright, so this is a Pantry light bulb that has gone out, so what we're going to go ahead and do is replace that today. So first, go ahead and reach up here and just push to pop that off. Okay, now that we have that popped off, you see there's a fluorescent light bulb inside of it. So let's go ahead and reach up and twist. And as you can see here, so there are actual tabs that come out. So we look here on the light bulb. It is a, let's see, what is our number here? Focus. Okay, so this is a T5 light bulb. So actually, I got ourselves a new one. Let's go ahead and put that there while I get this new one out. This new one is a 12-inch Undercabinet light, picked up at Lowe's. T5 size, 8 watt. Okay, so with the new bulb, we're going to go ahead and line it up. And once it's lined up like this, give it a half turn. Okay. Test it to make sure it comes on. All right, sweet. Now all I have to do is put this little cover back on, and we should be all set. So give me just 1 second. Okay, so on this cover, actually, turn the light on. Okay, so with this cover, we go ahead and tilt and close it off. And 100% done.